Hello friend, I'll welcome to DevCops. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn and understand why should not we search on Google to download the cracks of the software, as well as we are going to understand a better way to download the cracks of the software. So let's start. Downloading a software can be really easy. Just open the Google, search for software name and open the official website and click on download. But the software which are having paid versions get us into a trial version in which we have a limited days or limited number of uses before trying the software, and then you think of downloading the crack of the software so that you can get the software for free, but you get something really annoying that we'll see in this case. Now let's just try to search a very known software to us, the Microsoft Office 2016 on Google, and try to get its crack along with its download and see what Google gives us as a result. Okay, so let me just write Microsoft Office 2016 here in Office 2016. So let's try and search it on Google for the crack. So you can see there are a bunch of options available. You can just click any of the link to see what you get, but I'll just click the top two cause these are the best one. I'll show you both of them stepwise. So this one is crackgames.org. it's still loading and I think it's gonna take a little bit time, so let's try the first one. It says profullcrack.com. So guys, look at the first button. This is download now button at the top of the page. This is in most of the cases, and I must say almost 100% of the cases is an ad. As you can see that it's an ad for Basil Pay registration. Just close it and let's go a little down to the page and see what we find. We can see some license keys which are really not going to work because Microsoft doesn't have license key of this format. It uses 5555, but it doesn't seem to be the same way. And you can see download crack plus settings and download crack only button. It is actually not a button, it's an image. So let's try what it opens. It again opens the same advertisement, so let's close that one too and see what the third button, download crack plus torrent file, says. That's also the same link to the same different same not different the same ad, and let's see what it says. It says us to get access to unlimited books. We are going to pay for the things we don't want to pay. Why would we love to pay for something that we don't want to pay? Why would we do that? So let's not do that. It says to register, and I don't think you're going to pay for it because you just came here to get a software for free, not to pay for it. So let's go to the second link. Let's close it up and try the second link. What does that say? Okay, so the second link is crackgames.org, and we have the download links at the best of download. Here we can see. So if I try the first link, that mega.nz, guys, it's have lots of advertisement. I already saw that. So let's try, it's an advertisement kind of stuff to wait for 20 seconds. Let's try megaup.net and see what it says. Same 20 seconds, so why not just wait for it to be complete. Okay, so guys, you can see there are many options. You just don't try torrent that have a very low speed, so torrent is not a good option to try. Let's try megaup.net, and it says 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So I can now click on the download link. Let's click on that and see what happens. So yes, and the link is loading, I guess. See, that's total fraud because I don't think Microsoft Office can ever be of 4.62 MB, and already loaded lots of ads for me. So I don't think that's a legitimate download site. Just let's close this up and not try to download from Google. That's why I say, because you will be downloading some adwares and you will never get the file that you needed. So just close all those you opened from Google, and now I'll show you a real website that Google doesn't give as most of its results. So open softasm.com. This website is really good for downloading full free version with cracks and the methods to how to install the cracks safely, so that you don't get booted out from the premium version of the full version of the softwares. So let's just search for it. Let's search for Microsoft Office 2016 that's we're trying to download, and see what is the results and how are we getting legitimate files from here. So let's search for Microsoft Office 2016. Okay, so you can see there are a bunch of options available. So most of the times we will like to click on the first one available, download, and this because that's the latest one, so let's click on that. So you can see at the top there is a download button which leads to an ad, so never click on this one in softtest.com, and just close it up. Let's go to the download bottom of this web page. You can see here's the so you can see a button called download crack plus soft setup down direct link. Also ignore that button. You can see this button plus direct download. You can also ignore that button. See the one with the size indicated just aside with this link, and you can see it also has 32-bit and 64-bit versions. So just download the 64-bit versions cause I have the 64-bit version of Windows. I'll click on that and you'll see the download will start. So the download started, and that's very simple to download from softtest.com, and the servers are also not that much hoggy, and you can see we have opened no advertisement while we started download.